Wall Street, the most financially accurate investment firm in the world, has officially predicted the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most importantly, XRP. And while at first sight these digits seem extremely high, when doing some in-depth research, they're actually very logical. Starting off with the XRP price prediction of $8,033 by the year of 2025. So this is a prediction they gave, and in the next couple minutes, we're going to do a full-out thorough analysis and show you guys that this is a number that really Wall Street has emphasized on multiple occasions. In fact, just a day ago, Wall Street executive stated that selling XRP is similar to selling Apple stock back in the early days. Now, this happened shortly after Ripple joined the BIS, also known as the Bank of International Settlement Facility, to facilitate the payments of over $14.5 trillion through the derivatives market. And again, we're going to jump into the in-depth analysis shortly. Now, really quickly before we jump into the in-depth analysis, I want to quickly mention I'm hosting an XRP giveaway to all of you guys, to which we're giving away free XRP. All you're going to have to do to enter the giveaway is tap the like button, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications, and share this video to 2 friends and family members. That being said, rolling the giveaway once we hit 20,000 subscribers, and let's jump right in to the in-depth analysis. A Wall Street expert has made it clear and concise that selling XRP now is equivalent to selling Microsoft or Apple stock in the early days. And this is relevant because it's posted on August 21st of 2023, which is literally yesterday. Wall Street analyst Linda Jones compares XRP to Microsoft and Apple in the early days, saying that she believes selling XRP now would be a major mistake. Also citing that as the digital asset has the potential to grow significantly in value, XRP selling it now is a terrible decision. She also states the fact that at this point in time, it is expected that the digital asset market is going to reach a high of $14.5 trillion by 2025. Here's exactly what it cites. It says that Linda Jones, a prominent Wall Street financial analyst and a staunch supporter of XRP, has unveiled a thought-provoking revelation that is causing waves in the financial world. It's drawing much attention to the intriguing parallels between the present state of XRP and the early days of the industry giants, also known as Microsoft and Apple. Johns boldly asserts that selling off XRP holdings now would be akin to parting with Microsoft or Apple stock during the nascent stages. This intriguing perspective comes to light amidst projections of an immense $14.5 trillion investment potential in the digital asset arena. Esteemed financial institution HSBC Bank and Northern Trust have unveiled their forecast, projecting a global asset valuation of $145.5 trillion by 2025. And we're going to go ahead and roll the clip for you.
Let me again remind you all and show you physically why they don't want you freaking involved in this digital asset space. Northern Trust working together with HSBC. If you're not too familiar with who Northern Trust is, let me just fill you in. Northern Trust is one of the largest banking institutions in the United States and one of the oldest banks. Okay, let's just take a second and look at what they have to say. The rise of a new asset class. DLT and tokenization have the potential to reshape financial markets by creating new asset classes and enabling new business models, both of which will accelerate change. And then if we scroll down here, this is what's really going to blow your freaking mind. Asset servicers know that they are operating in an evolving world. We expect that by 2030, approximately 5 to 10% of all assets will be digital. Considering that global assets are expected to rise to $145.4 trillion by 2025, this is a substantial number, and it will only continue to increase as technological innovation drives change. So let's just do 10% of $145 trillion. Okay, you guys can see that number right here, right? Well, let's just subtract 10% from that. That is $14.5 trillion. You all see now why they don't want you involved?
The Wall Street analyst then goes ahead and quotes this and cites, yes, the numbers are that big, $14.5 trillion. The money will flow digitally and you own a very valuable asset. You are early, not wrong. Question: if you knew you owned the next Microsoft or Apple stock, would you be in a rush to sell in its early days? Hashtag XRP. Now, before we move forward, I want to quickly thank the sponsor of today's video, Bybit. Bybit is one of the most fantastic trading exchanges that allows you to purchase and trade XRP and all the other cryptocurrencies on a daily basis with very low transaction fees, and they even offer you guys some free bonuses because I asked them to do so. Not only that, they're also going to give you some deposit bonuses and some trade bonuses, totaling over $30,000 worth of deposit rewards. So, as you guys know, make sure you guys do check them out. The link will be in the description, and put in my referral code to get yourself all these crazy trading and registering bonuses. It's free money, so you might as well claim it. Thank you so much, and let's get right back into the video. And to be completely honest with you, what has been stated makes a lot of sense, specifically when looking all around the news and exactly what's going on, and using SWIFT. Looking at an example here where we talk about SWIFT, SWIFT transfers $5 trillion every single day. There's only 50 billion XRP, so only 10% of daily SWIFT transactions would capitulate over $1,000 per XRP. SWIFT has already successfully tested XRP, and very soon we're going to see the XRP ledger filled with over $5 trillion plus per day if everything were to actually go the way that it has been stated. Now, I want to get clear that this does not mean that I think the $5,000 or $8,000 per XRP is going to happen. Rather, what I'm trying to say here is, if you look at the surroundings, things are brewing very positively for XRP. That being said, I'm going to go ahead and roll this clip for you, so let us begin.
SWIFT is the preeminent messaging system for the financial industry, which covers, say, payments, FX, trade, in terms of securities, etc., NOSTA reconciliations, etc. What we're looking with the crypto, though, is where SWIFT would have a store and forward system for most of its payment transactions, where you need service level agreements that in a certain time I will do something, the payment turns up at a certain time during the day. Here we're looking at the new network styles, which allow instant, real-time movement of the funds and visibility of those funds as well. So we would not have a situation where banks need to come back to arrived. It's 3 days later, I need to find out or find query messages moving around the network. There's nothing like that. I don't believe Ripple is going to replace SWIFT. Ripple is one of the complementary networks which is going to allow those institutions who need real time to make use of that. And I think we're also seeing that SWIFT are changing their network capability so that real-time will be a possibility as well. But we may also see Ripple XRP moving across the SWIFT network as a currency when we're perhaps using something like FX.
Now, looking at everything going on, things are consistently getting better and better for XRP. And to be completely honest, we're looking at the news and looking at how global reaction is pursuing XRP and the XRP ledger. More and more countries are building their central bank digital currencies on XRP, and the transaction volumes are skyrocketing for the XRP ledger because of this. And as you guys can see in this article, it highlights that there are a lot of countries now working to implement XRP or their central bank digital currency on the XRP ledger, and how, for example, you have the Republic of Montenegro, you're going to have the Republic of Palau, and you know, these governments are looking at the XRP ledger as the currency they require to do all of their transactions, and they're building this on the XRP ledger. So I'm emphasizing it once and twice and repeating myself because I think it's so important about what's going on for XRP and the XRP investors. Overall, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you follow me on my Twitter and Instagram because I'm always posting the latest news there, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Crypto Geek out. Peace!